Welcome to the channel, the Fancy Pink Chick YouTube channel. And of course, guys, I am your girl. To all my daughters, to all my sisters, to all my good girlfriends, and even my aunties. Girls, I am going to jump into this DIY project that I have for you guys. So if you are seeing on the screen this marble table, girl, you are in the right place at the right time to see this DIY. Girls, what I have in front of you is a bag that I ordered. This is a leather bag. So I spent a little coin on this girl, guys. And do you see the wonderful pink that she is? I am going to be attempting to recreate this, guys. You fake like this Birkin. This bag I wanted, and the bag was originated by someone named I believe her name is Sunday. I went on to her website, guys, and everything on the website was sold out. So your girl, I am an avid DIYer. And the more I looked at that bag and I realized really what was going on, I said, you know what? I am definitely going to attempt to make this bag myself, guys. I have ordered the paint that I am going to use. So let's see if I can recreate You Fake Like This Birkin bag. Okay. I want to show you guys how beautiful these bags are before I put any type of writing on them. This bag is a dupe of the Birkin bag, guys, and like I'm saying in this video, please be clear. I am without a doubt clear that I will never purchase a authentic Birkin bag. I am not here to purchase a bag that is $15,000 to $50,000 on no day. If I became the richest woman in the world, I still would not give anybody $15,000 for a bag. That is an absolute no. And guys, what made me become interested in these bags, I saw the designer that decided to start writing on these bags. So I did my research and I linked up with a seller that was selling these bags, and the quality of the bags, guys, that I have, I am without a doubt, I am here for this. I think it is so unique and beautiful, and I love her idea of writing on the bag. But guys, there is absolutely positively no way that once I thought about it, I said, listen, I can, without a doubt, I can try that. And girls, that's what your girl has decided to do. I want you guys to see me in real time writing and marking on this bag. So I'm going to try to attempt to do it right now. The color on this bag, guys, is just so beautiful to me. Now, when I put this one on here, this writing, I'm not comfortable with how that looks. So, girls, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Because this marker, right now, it is forgiving. I have a little old sponge that means absolutely nothing to me. And this is why I say in the video that the marker that I have right now is forgiving, because I wipe it off as soon as I put it on there, because I don't like, and I have a towel, and I'm just going to wipe the surface off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this loose, guys. So, okay. So when I take it loose, I have I can see better. And I'm going to shake up the marker, guys. And I want you to know that when it's something that you believe that you can do, I am definitely, without a doubt, I'm always here for that. I challenge myself all of the time. You think for some reason this one seems fake. Like, okay, girls. What do you guys think? I am going to go over this a little bit more. And now I wanted a You Fake Like This Birkin bag, guys. And I have used these right here. These markers, guys, I picked up from Amazon. They are acrylic paint pens, water-based, and they are a little forgiving. I have wiped off in some areas. And guys, I want to know your honest opinions you can give me. I wanted the color that I wanted, and I wanted it now. I did not want to wait forever, because Sunday, I believe her name is, on her website, everything is completely sold out. So what your girl has done today is I have used a marker, this marker right here, and guys, I have wrote on the bag myself. I purchased the markers for maybe $10. I purchased the bag for, I believe, $85, because the bag is a leather bag, guys. So regardless of what, I do have a actual leather bag that is a dupe of the Birkin bag, because I can be honest, guys, I am with